I'ma put it on the rock. Crawl, walking.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Pretty windy? Nice. Can I come in? Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Jonny. I'm with Team Ain't Loud. There's 12 AU12s on 2 Arctic Wolf 9Ks.
Okay.
There's 10 tweeters per each door, a 10, 2 8s, and 2 6.5s.
Is there a trick to getting your door to close, or?
Yeah, no, you just don't.
It just don't. It just don't. You just keep it as close as you can and let the subs load. Yep. Do you know the tunings on this 6th order?
Nah,
You don't really know? That's all good. 10 or an 8?
That's
Wow.
10.
Wow. I didn't know they had 10s in that. Neato. Pretty sweet. Let me get a picture real quick. Yeah, man, let me get a picture. Woo. Good luck, man. It's windy.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a Jonny system at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa, Florida area. Be sure to give them a like and comment. Insane system in a tight space of this Jeep. I really like the door layout as well as the whole box layout and efficient amount of space they utilize to fit 12 12-inch subwoofers inside of this Jeep. So if you notice the way the amplifiers are staged, I'm sure he has 6 subs per amp. So I don't know the actual impedance ohm. I'm just going to assume it's around the 0.6 to 0.8 ohm per amp. and didn't find out all the electrical, but under the hood looked like he had one output alternator and 90 amp hour plus of lithium. And if you could tell, the top corner of the box really optimized the amount of space to fit 12 of these subs in here, and having all of them inverted, that way you can have best cooling possible, and just to see the beauty of these motors. So this is a 6th order enclosure. Didn't find out all the tuning specs as well. He didn't know. I think he actually purchased this from somebody else. I remember hearing this at a prior system demo. And it definitely gets really windy down into the low 20 hertz range. So total 18,000 watts on 12 12-inch subs. He definitely gave us the business, and I got a good walk around with 3 other people inside of here with some footage as well. So be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos on my channel, and enjoy.
Awesome, thank you, man.
When I run that top, I'ma put it on the rock. Crawl, walking, these bitches she wanna get him.
Wow. And that's only on 2 amps.
Yep, 9Ks.
We got some good cone area, nice and efficient. Do you know the tunings on this 6th order?
Nah,
You don't really know? That's all good. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Nice to meet you,
Have
man.
a good one.
You too.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.